Welcome, explorers. Today, we uncover the secrets of the Himalayas. The Himalayas, the tallest and youngest mountains on Earth. These glaciers feed Asia's greatest rivers, Ganges, Indus, Brahmaputra. Frozen giants, giving life to millions below. Thin air, freezing cold, yet life survives. Snow leopards, yaks, mountain goats. Survival in the purest form. These rocks were once under the ocean. Now they rise above the clouds. 40 million years ago, India collided with Asia, forming the Himalayas. The higher we climb, the more alive we feel. These mountains test your limits. Every peak tells a story. Every glacier hides a secret. Keep exploring. The Earth still has wonders. The Himalayas, a masterpiece shaped by time.